everybody. We're going to show how you can make a mask for the coronavirus. It's so simple. It's going to look like this when you get it. First you put it here, then you do this. You see? That's what it's going to look like. Follow my directions. You see this? Fold it like this, 2 equal parts. Now, roll it up like this. You see this? Now, you like this, and then the other side. Then do this. You do it like this. Then you move the rubber bands a little up. And then there. You can make it out of any fabric. You can even make it like this. Any kid could do this. Folding, wrapping, and putting. Mask for coronavirus. See you, wash your hands and stay safe and healthy. 6 feet difference, okay?